My name is Rhodah Kariuki, and I am a co-founder at Twa Assist Kenya, and I'm also a lead psychologist there. Twa Assist Kenya is a community-based organization where we provide mental health services. That is including of training people on mental health, providing psychosocial support to those people in need of psychosocial support providers, and we also provide counseling services or care to persons who are experiencing mental health challenges. I was inspired to start Twa Assist Kenya by the fact that even after doing so much advocacy work, we realized that people still were not going to seek help, and we were wondering why. And we realized that people were not literate on mental health. Also, mental health services were not affordable to most people, and there were also no more like many organizations or hospitals offering mental health services. At Twa Assist Kenya, our beneficiaries are young people of between 15 years old and 35 years old. With this group, we have those in schools, especially the high school and the campus and the college students, and also now there are young people who are already working and others just doing their own initiatives and impacting people in their own way. So far, we've been able to impact more than 500 young people. We started back in 2020, and so far, we've impacted more than 500 people. Biggest success story is a group of campus students that we trained on mental health. These people, the leader of the club, saw me on social media and saw the advocacy work that I was doing, and he inboxed me telling me, I have a group of people that we talk on mental health. Do you mind coming and talking to us? And when I joined the group and I just saw what they were doing, the leader asked me, do you have any solid thing that you do? And I told him, yes, we offer the trainings, the psychosocial support, and the counseling services. And he told us, could you kindly give us this? And the reason this is a highlight story is because at that time we didn't have any funds to run the program. They were also campus students. They were not able to afford to pay even for the training, but the passion and the zeal they wanted the mental health training was so bad that we could not say no to them. We have two major challenges that we've experienced. One is the stigma and the many myths that are surrounding mental health. Also, the other one was inadequate resources. In the next 5 to 10 years, we have a goal of having at least 2 mental health clinics in the country. One around Nairobi CBD, where it is accessible to most people, and another one in Kajiado County, where we are registered and we are the primary area of operation. As a Zuri alumni, I'll be able to impact so many young girls. I am very passionate about girls, and when I go to talk to them, you may find that sometimes they will what do you have? Who are you? And by the virtue of me being a Zuri alumni, will make them want to hear what I have to say. They will listen to the mental health information I'm giving them. They will be able to empty themselves more, because as we say in psychology, that people tend to listen to someone who are you? What do you have? Yes, so it will really impact so many young girls, and that is my goal. We have a program that we included among our other programs called Teen Solutions, and in this we are seeking to approach the young girls and the boys as low as class 6 to class 8. And because the reason as why we chose this is because we realize most people, or most girls, they tend to give in to sexual violence and all these things, because when they were young they were taught to believe that you don't have a voice, you cannot express yourself, you just have to hide, and you can't, when you give there is no receiving. And when we get to these people, we are able to help them, and also talking to the boys, not just the girls, because we realize that these boys are the perpetrators of these girls experiencing the mental health challenges. You find that the boys telling these girls, you are not beautiful, you are not intelligent, how do you look, where do you come from? And talking to these boys, telling them what it takes to be a man. It doesn't mean that you have to bash another girl for you to be seen as a strong man. And we just get to them and educate them on these things.